I traveled to Milan, Italy, and I was about to go home to Amsterdam, and then I stumbled with this marble sculptor named Fabio Viali, an Italian sculptor who has been sculpting since he was still 16 years old. And these are the work of art from him. And he has been doing the exhibit in Italy, in Russia, and in Germany, and also in the United States. And this is one of his exhibits in Malpensa airport in Milan, Italy. So it is so nice, and I was so mesmerized by his work of art. It's kind of a Renaissance art, but this is about marble sculpting.